How would you like to create a cool clone trail effect like Ariana Grande's The Light Is Coming? With the Insta360 One R, you can do it automatically in just a few minutes. The clone trail effect is very cool, but creating it is very time consuming as shown in this tutorial by Cinecom. But now you can do it automatically with the Insta360 One R, a 360 camera that uses AI. Here's how. You'll need an Insta360 One R with a 360 mod and a selfie stick, monopod, or light stand. Attach the One R to your stand. Put the One R at around waist level. Set the One R to video mode and choose 5.7K 30 FPS. Stand at least 6 feet away from the One R. I found it helpful to stand even farther, like 8 feet. Now walk around the One R twice. Now it's time to apply the effect. Launch the Insta360 One R app. Connect the app to your camera by pressing the album button. Tap on the camera tab to see the videos in the camera's memory card. Tap on the upper right to begin selecting the video, then tap on the video. Then tap on download on the bottom. Now you can turn off the One R and connect your phone to your Wi-Fi. Tap on the Stories tab and choose Clone Trails. Tap on the button Use this theme. Choose the video by tapping on it. Drag the playhead to the point where you want to start. Swipe the screen to rotate the view and hold down your finger on the subject. The One R will begin tracking your subject. When it's done tracking and creating a preview, you can then choose how many clones you want by choosing the clone density. Tap on Generate Clone Trails. Now you can export the video by tapping on the Share button. Tap on the Color Plus button to add an HDR-like effect. Your video will now appear in your phone gallery. Alternatively, you can do reverse motion trails by tapping on this switch. In addition to the clone trail effect, check out other effects in the Insta360 One R app. I'll see you in 360.